Alright guys, I hope y'all can hear me okay. I've got my mic over here because there's something I want you to listen to. Now, this is a child safety lock. It's put on with a normal adhesive pad there. And in this rental, the people who lived here put these on, and now I'm being paid to take them off. And it's preferable if I can take them off without pulling paint off the cabinet and causing even more work and more invoices. So I just get a little piece of cardboard in place. Now, when I start taking this off, I'm going to try to be super quiet, and I want you to listen, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some pressure on this, and you're going to hear the adhesive peeling very slowly in the back. They put a better adhesive on the side to the child lock than they do on the other side, and the idea is if you take these off carefully and slowly, they'll slowly peel from the paint here without coming off of this and then leaving a bunch of adhesive on the paint, and without pulling paint off. So now's the time to start listening. Let's see if we can hear it. You want to hear that. When you stop hearing it, give it a little more. The whole trick is just to go nice and slow. And there we go, and we didn't take any paint off the cabinet at all. And here's another one here, and what I want to do here is see if you can see it as it slowly pulls off. You can watch how it separates from the cabinet. And there you go, and we didn't remove any paint either.